it's Alex and welcome to English for Academic Writing. On this fourth session, we're going to be learning on how to organize your writing or research writing. Now take a look at the screen. What happens if we combine sentences? If we add sentence and sentence, what will happen? It may create a paragraph. And if we add paragraph and paragraph, we will get an essay. Now, what is an essay? An essay is a short collection of paragraphs that present facts, opinion, and ideas about a topic. An essay usually has 3 to 10 paragraphs. Each paragraph discusses one idea, usually stated in a special sentence called as topic sentence. Now take a look at the paragraph and try to find the topic sentence. You can pause this video while try searching for the topic sentence. Did you get that? Very good. In an essay, there are 3 main parts, which are introduction, body, and conclusion. There are 4 common kinds of an essay. The first one is narrative, comparison, cause and effect, and also argumentative. Now, although there are 4 types, you can actually combine some of them or maybe 3 of them to make a really good essay. It depends on the need of the writing itself. Now, what is a narrative essay? A narrative essay is actually an essay that tells a story. Telling story has always been an important part of human history. We could not know about what happened in the past, so people usually tell narrative story by using past tenses. But nowadays, it is also common to tell story about present and even future. There are several important elements which make up a story, such as setting, theme, mood, characters, and plot. So what are these exactly? Take a look at the screen. So setting is actually the location where the action takes places. Meanwhile, theme is the basic idea of story, usually topic about greed, love, courage, etc. And then mood is actually like the feeling or atmosphere for the story. And characters are the people in the story. And last but not least is the plot. The plot is the sequence of events. Now let's do some exercise. Try to make those 5 elements into a narrative essay. Try to challenge yourself doing the narrative essay. That concludes our session for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.